Saturday night I was in haunted house. It was quiet and mystery. I felt fear, anxiety, nervousness, mistrust, but at the same time curiosity to see what was hidden in that place. I saw a big wooden door that sounded as I moved very slowly. I entered a dark room. Inside, I saw a very dusty antique wall sconce. I saw a large bankrupt, but I also had some strange marks. I saw a large canopy bed that had marks on the wall like scratches. It was dark brown. There were a medium-sized piece for furniture with golden details and drawers that is known in Regency. And I also noticed that there was a pedestal table and on it there was a broken vase with some golden flowers around it. I felt the presence of God's souls making strange noises. Or maybe it was fear that made me see things, but I was really something scary. This was my experiences. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.